Friday 14th of June, after 9:30 at night, after the sunset. Right, we've got some chems as well up there, haven't we? Let's see. Particularly messy, those two, aren't they? See if we can get closer. There's others. Where am I? Over that area, that white one. There's others in that gap there. Right, so there's that bit there. Go across the other side of the church. And there's a super white, or super glowing. That one there. Now, a bit more over to there. Looks like frequencies as well. Quite a busy night. And the black lot over there. Looks like they've been manufactured. Now over the castle. It's just office buildings, but I call it the castle because it's the top of it. Old cell tower crap. Right, try and get my balance. There we go. And they are using frequencies on the chems up at the top. Right, which is just in that gap there. Anyway, this is after sunset. Well, actually it is sunset, isn't it? You know, the sun's already gone down though behind the church. Never looked the other way, did I? Right, out to the Pennine roots. With that set up. It's bloody strange actually looking at it. Looks a bit different to how it does in reality, but this camera's picking extra up. Those lines there, oh I see them now, yeah. And also jaggedness on the end of that cloud. And we come around to these with the lines on. You know, I come up with a bit of an idea on this. Right, all the colours I can see there are immaculate and sharp. The camera doesn't pick them up. But does that mean that the camera is picking up how it really is and I'm being deceived? Or does it mean the camera's just not capable of getting it properly? Probably camera, but I don't know. They say cameras can see things we can't, don't they? They say that, somebody did. Wasn't me. Oh, it was, I just heard me. But there you go. A lot of lines going across on that bit. Some dark, very dark orange clouds up there. Not that the display shows that, but the dark orange. Now very bright orange down there, very bright orange there, Try again. I've got mushrooms there. They're magic.
Terrible.
I know. Couple of little standalones.
Mr. Branch, if you're listening, I blame you for his bad jokes. It was the banter that I taught
David
you.
won't watch these.
Eh?
Nobody watches them.
Yeah, true.
I must
Who
be
wants
the
to
only
listen
one
to you?
watches
You're
them. That's only
boring.
because I can edit the damn things.
You're boring.
I know that. I don't give a damn.
I'm waking up.
You won't be.
I'm coming over now. Is that a threat? I promise. Scare face.
Scare tactics.
I was going to say, there's a scare face. There was, it came up there. Next to
there were two.
See where that is?
I got them. There was
No, the
two.
frequencies.
Yeah, frequencies of
Did you get the one over there?
Yes, I got them. Just. Like all those black lines going across. Bit of symmetry. Some dodgy clouds.
They're pretty, innit?
No, it looks bloody tormenting when you look to the left. Right, over to the window.
Pretty still. It's scary.
Yeah, pretty scary.
Scary.
That's what I said. Scary. I'm Lancastering, you silly woman. Silly woman, hellfire. Glad she couldn't hear that. I'd be so doomed. Right, anyway. I'd say that's, besides the dark lines, I'd say that's about the most interesting part really, because there's so much going on over there. There's a sharp bit there. Over to the castle, further round. Anyway, we'll leave it at that. I say we'll leave it at that, we'll see what else turns up while I'm in the kitchen, but